5 things to know when you start college. Number 2, in college, you run your own show, so make the most of it. Hi, I'm Sean Coveny, an ISAC Corps member, and this is tip number 2 in our ISAC College Minute Series, 5 things to know when you start college. Take charge of your experience. College is definitely going to be different than high school, and you're going to be more independent. No one is going to force you to go to class, do your homework, budget your money, or even tell you to do your laundry. To get the most out of your experience, stay focused and remember why you were there, and that the cost of college is an investment in your future. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't have fun. There will be lots of activities on your campus, and you'll be encouraged to join them. Finding the right balance between fun, schoolwork, and work will help you stress less and enjoy the experience. What really helped me was planning and time management. All I heard growing up was how difficult it can be to get a college degree, which really discouraged me. When I finally realized that college was possible for me, I really had to assess how my procrastination kept me in this constant loop of low motivation. To break that, I got a planner and started writing down all the important deadlines for college applications. That small step got me started on the right track. Now, I don't know what I'd do without my planner. Planning helped me better manage my time so that I could study hard and still enjoy everything else college had to offer. It made all the difference. If you're struggling to find this balance, take advantage of your school's counseling office or your academic advisor for some assistance.